Hi, it's Michelle Ockers, and it's day 9 of the 30-day Brainstorm challenge. And my aha moment today comes from something that was said in my Working Out Loud circle. I'm up to week 11 in my current Working Out Loud circle, and it's all about connecting with the tribe and entertaining the possibility of creating a movement. And we talked about something we care about that we'd like to create a movement around. And for me, the idea that I worked with, or the area I care about that I worked with, was communities of practice. And I'm about to set a new goal to work out loud around, which is to create a community of practice toolkit. At least that's my working goal at the moment. But here's the insight. When we were talking amongst the group about the item or the issue that each person had said they care about, and the first steps that they would take towards building a tribe or creating a network around that issue, I immediately went to, well, as I start building this toolkit, I'm going to blog about it and share that publicly, where the content is something that can be shared publicly and more widely within the organisation, and then invite people to contribute to it, to provide feedback and so on. So I went straight to the output and asking for comment on the output. One of the other people in the group was talking about something she cared about, which is about care of ageing parents where you are not physically close to them, where you're remote from them. And what she started with was connecting with others to discover the pain points. And that really sat me back, and I thought, you know what? I'm probably racing ahead here. So because of certain discussions and deadlines and tasks I'd been asked to perform internally, I had raced ahead and proposed a design for this community of practice toolkit as a way of helping to get more communities of practice up and running internally quickly without dedicated community management, thinking that if I create the toolkit, it helps people to use it, and if I set the tools up in a way where I and my team are engaged to support the rollout of the tools by different communities, we're still getting some visibility and offering some support to the communities. So I was getting ready to start working on this this coming week. What it's really made me realise is that it's probably timely for me just to take a little pause and take a step back and ask myself the question, have I properly defined the pain points, the user requirements, and figured out an approach that's actually going to make most sense for the organisation and be of most value? And how could I do the development potentially in an iterative way that meets certain stakeholders' expectations that I start to deliver tools to use, but make sure that what I'm doing is going to truly meet the needs of the people in our business and add value to how they build their connections with other people, so that they find participating in these communities, using the tools, to be a worthwhile experience. So really exploring your pain points and understanding the need and the user expectations and what sort of user experience needs to be delivered is an important step not to skip over.